Have you ever experienced conversing with some Waray people from different parts of the Waray-waray region? Did you ever wonder why Waray people have various terminologies for a particular word? Hello everyone, my name is Alexis. Welcome to the Learner's Guide. In this video, we will learn the dialects of Waray-waray language. Let's begin! Bright. In Tacloban, malamrag. In Catbalogan, mapawa. In Eastern Samar, masilaw or masuna. In Northern Samar, masuna. Beautiful. In Tacloban and Catbalogan, mahusay. In Eastern and Northern Samar, mabaysay. Slender. In Tacloban and Catbalogan, magasa. In Eastern Samar, magasa or malapis. In Northern Samar, mahugos. Ugly. In Tacloban, maraksot. In Catbalogan, maraot. In Eastern Samar, mapurot. In Northern Samar, maraot or mapurot. Old. In Tacloban and Catbalogan, lagas. In Eastern Samar, tigurang. In Northern Samar, arog. Lover. In Tacloban and Catbalogan, uyab. In Eastern and Northern Samar, inggis. In other parts of Samar, they call it yagid, trato, or consuelo. Philippine lime. In Tacloban, limoncito. In Catbalogan, kidja. In Eastern and Northern Samar, limon. In some parts of Leyte, they call it suter. Chile. In Tacloban and Catbalogan, harang. In Eastern Samar, kutikot. In Northern Samar, ulang. Cooked rice. In Tacloban, kanon. In Catbalogan, kanon or luto. In Eastern and Northern Samar, luto. Cat. In Tacloban, misay. In Catbalogan, misay or mularaw. In Eastern Samar, misay or uding. In Northern Samar, kuying. There you go! Want to learn more? Click subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to get notified. Thanks for watching!